Oh my gosh! This is not one, not two, but five passive income apps that will pay you $700 or more. And you can do it over and over. Imagine waking up in your bed and pulling out your phone to see a payment notification for $50, $100, $200, or even $400. The best part is that you can be paid in a variety of payment methods that are available in worldwide in all countries. And you only need one thing, your smartphone. So you can do this on your Android or iPhone by downloading the app, creating an account, and setting it up. So the more apps you use, the more money you will make. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to learn all of these 5 apps to make the most money quickly. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, I'm going to talk about 5 passive income websites that will pay you money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So let's get started. The first website I'm talking about that will help you in earning money online is surveytime.io. So surveytime.io is a very simple and easy to use international paid surveys website where you can earn $1 for each successful survey completion. Receive your $1 reward via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift certificate. There are no complicated point systems to learn with SurveyTime. So every time you complete a survey, you'll receive an instant $1 reward of your choice from the available rewards options via email. There's no waiting for points or systems. Everything is instant. So to begin using SurveyTime, I want you to first register. So after you sign up, there'll be a confirmation generated for you sent to you via email. You must also confirm your email address because this is always the process. This step is also critical on SurveyTime because you will not be able to receive your rewards unless you confirm your email. The next stop on SurveyTime differs from that of most of other survey sites. So right after you sign up, you are asked to complete a survey in order for them to match you with surveys. Once you're in, you can immediately see how long the survey will take and whether it is only available on desktop or mobile. And boom, start earning! The next website is called Profit Product Creator. So Profit Product Creator is a system that allows you to create various digital information products in the shortest amount of time. But its primary application is in the creation of ebooks or online books. So you can get your content from various PLR services, in addition to your own, and compile it into a custom-made ebook for you. So once you've completed your ebook, you can sell it to potential customers and earn money with this system. Okay, before we move forward, I just wanted to talk to you, I've always wanted to ask if you already know about these apps mentioned. What are your experiences? You know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. Okay, let's continue. The third website is called Remote Tasks. So Remote Tasks is a micro-tasking website that compensates users or the independent contractors for completing small and simple tasks. So by completing these simple tasks, you will be assisting remote task clients, both small startups and large public companies, in the development and training of smarter AI. Think self-driving tech, image recognition, categorization, and more. So you can create an account on Remote Tasks by going to the sign up page and then you can join using your Facebook account. So after creating an account, you can begin taking Remote Tasks University courses and exams. So you can begin earning money within an hour of signing up. Isn't that awesome? So moving on to the fourth website called UgenBots. UgenBots is a cloud-based programming software that creates and maintains passively monetized locales in any niche for you. So it's a one-of-a-kind and incredible human-driven content spinner that provides you with limitless and unique content. Furthermore, it is a hands-free system that builds your blog for you, based on your personal interests, generate unique content, and provides free traffic to help you rank your blog site at the top of Google. So people are paying too much to run their blogs, but there are no guarantees that they will be successful. The situation is different for UgenBots users. Your blogs are automatically set up when you use UgenBots, so no more overspending just to get your blogs up and running. It actually converts related online content into 100% original content that takes over traffic and profits with the help of UGen bots. So its unique technology is that it uses actual human input to create for much less money than hiring a content creator. Even better, it allows you to choose your personal interests and write a blog about it. So the first step is to select the topic or niche on which you want to focus, such as parenting, recipes, or crafts, maybe basketball, or any profitable niches that you're interested in. Then step 2 is to activate the automated profit site. And step 3 is to monetize your multiple passive income sources. And one very effective way for you to make money is with a done for you blog, which is simply earning affiliate commission online. Now we're down to our last app. So the final app is called Buzzbreak. So Buzzbreak is a GPT app that will pay you to use it and complete simple tasks. Yes, that is how simple it is to make money with this app. And yes, it's legit. So when you first open the app, you might think you're reading Yahoo News because there are so much news articles to read. Aside from that, you can search specific categories such as sports, entertainment, funny, and story. So you will be able to view various posts in these categories. To understand how well you can earn from this app, we must first examine the earning opportunities it provides. So reading articles is one way to earn money with this app. So when you click on an article like this, it will take you to the website where the article is hosted. So a gift icon will then appear on the right side of the screen, as you can see there. So it will start loading and then stop at a certain point. It will ask you to scroll down the article to continue the loading process. You simply need to follow the instructions on the gift icon. You're not required to read the article, okay? So I want you to simply keep an eye on the gift icon to see if it's loading. When it's finished loading, it'll ask you to scroll all the way down to claim your prize. So when you do this, a message will appear informing you that you have earned points. The exact number of points will vary depending on the article and country. So in addition to reading articles, you can do this by watching videos on the website. So when you log into the app, you will be able to claim points on a regular basis by clicking the gift icon on the right side of your screen again. You can also receive additional rewards simply for logging into the app on a daily basis. So Buzzbreak's rewards are based on a point system. You can exchange your points for cash by using PayPal. So 1,000 points are equal to 1 cent. The minimum amount required to withdraw your earnings is only $5. That is in fact a very low threshold. So now that you know all of these information, are you ready to earn easy passive income from these websites? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. And if you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!